Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ojo Oluwafunmilayo Blessing and I'm currently pursuing a degree in physics education in Lagos State University. Now, today in physics, I would like to be taking you waves. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the basics of wave, including how to label the different parts of wave, how to calculate the wave speed, and the differences between transverse and longitudinal waves. Now, for starters, what is wave? A wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another without causing any permanent displacement in that medium. I'll take that again. A wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another without causing any permanent displacement of that medium. Now, let's go down to classification of waves. Waves can be classified into two categories. Two criteria. One is the medium of propagation and two is the direction of travel. The medium of propagation is whether they move through materials or not, and the direction of travel is how they travel. So now, medium of propagation. Firstly, based on medium of propagation, we have mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Now, mechanical waves. Mechanical waves are those type of waves that require a material medium for their propagation. Mechanical waves are those type of waves that require a material medium for their propagation. That means without a material, they cannot move. Example of those waves are water waves, sound waves, waves on a string or a rope. These examples are really self-explanatory. Water waves, sound waves, waves on a string or a rope. Now let's get to electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are those type of waves that do not require a material medium for their propagation. Electromagnetic waves are those type of waves that do not require a material medium for their propagation. That means they do not need a material to propagate. Example of these rays are X-rays, light waves, radio waves, and gamma waves. I don't know if anybody has been to like a hospital and have done maybe chest X-ray or anything. They do not need materials to propagate. If you have done X-ray before, you know that they do not need like material medium to propagate. Now down to based on their direction of travel. That means how do they move? This is the second. How do waves move? The first one we have is transverse wave and the second one is longitudinal wave. Based on their direction of travel, we have transverse wave and longitudinal waves. For instance, now let's go to transverse wave. Transverse waves are those waves that travel in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the disturbance or vibration causing the wave. I will say that again. Transverse waves are waves that travel in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the disturbance or vibration that is causing the wave. That means if the direction of the disturbance of the wave is this way, this type of waves, transverse wave, they move this way. They travel in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the disturbance causing the wave. Now we have examples of this wave are water waves, light waves, and radio waves. Water wave, light waves, and radio waves.